As we grow, we know.
So hi guys, today we got Bookeez here, and basically Bookeez is a great little accessory you can have if you're teaching kids at home. It's about story making and teach your kids to energize their bookmaking ideas. Here, I'm just showing you basically what it's about, so they can express themselves in bookmaking. It's quite cool, you know, because you got all these different types of different apps on your iPads and your Android tablets. But basically, this kind of we won't call it a toy, but this kind of product is really good because it can enhance the creative ability of your child right about here, right about now. So it comes with all these accessories. You got the book binder here, and you got the bookmaking apparatus here. Stick it in there, and you press down, and you're able to press these type of books. And this is the book binding that will congregate the whole book into one, like right now. This is a good skill for practicing handwriting, art skills, and obviously literacy as well. And the kids kind of like it. They can express themselves with the literacy. Here's just some little tips it has for you there. And you can pick this up at any store, local store. It's not too pricey, I believe. But you're able to rate your own book using this little type of studio apparatus. It enhances their imagination and creative ability, really. And what I found that they found it quite interesting. In your basic average literacy lesson, you can sit down, you know, and just tell the kids to write a book. They can actually make a book. It's all about that creativity, giving them that expression, that thoughtful expression that they're able to do it on their own. Teach them that individuality. They don't need to just sit in a classroom and just, you know, look from a blackboard. They can actually be the producer themselves. That's Bookeez. For all you guys who can get one of these great little accessories.
I hope educate as we grow, we know.